Let's learn the names of 25 electric items. Kids, are you ready? Let's go.
This is a bulb.
This is a bulb. A bulb gives us light in the dark. It uses electricity to shine bright. Bulbs help us see clearly at night.
This is a bulb. This is a television.
This is a television. It shows pictures and plays sound. It can also teach us many new and interesting things. Kids and families enjoy watching TV together.
This is a television. This is a refrigerator.
This is a refrigerator. It keeps our food cold and fresh. Cold food stays fresh for a longer time. We store milk, fruits, and vegetables inside.
This is a refrigerator. This is a washing machine.
This is a washing machine. A washing machine washes dirty clothes. It uses water and soap to clean them. It makes laundry easy for families.
This is a washing machine. This is a microwave.
This is a microwave. A microwave heats food very quickly. People use it to warm meals and snacks in minutes. It is very helpful in busy kitchens.
This is a microwave. This is a laptop.
This is a laptop. A laptop is a small portable computer. We use laptops to study and learn new things. It can be carried easily anywhere.
This is a laptop. This is a desktop computer.
A desktop computer is used for learning and working. It has a big screen, keyboard, and mouse. People use it to study, play games, and watch videos.
This is a desktop computer. This is an electric iron.
An electric iron makes clothes smooth and neat. It uses heat to remove wrinkles from fabric. People iron clothes before going to school or work.
This is an iron. This is an electric kettle.
An electric kettle boils water very quickly. People use it to make tea, coffee, or hot drinks. It is simple and very convenient in the kitchen.
This is an electric kettle. This is a toaster.
A toaster makes bread warm and crispy. Slices of bread pop up after they are toasted. Many people enjoy toast with butter or jam.
This is a toaster. This is an air conditioner. This is an air conditioner.
An air conditioner cools the air in a room. It makes the room comfortable during very hot weather. Many homes and offices use air conditioners in summer.
This is a hair dryer. This is a hair dryer.
A hair dryer blows warm air on wet hair. People use it after washing their hair. It helps hair dry quickly and easily.
This is a vacuum cleaner. This is a vacuum cleaner.
A vacuum cleaner removes dust from floors and carpets. It sucks dirt into a container using strong air power. This machine helps keep homes clean and tidy.
This is a blender. This is a blender.
A blender mixes fruits and liquids together. It can make smoothies, shakes, and tasty drinks. Blenders are very useful in the kitchen.
This is an electric heater.
An electric heater gives warm air in winter. People sit near it to stay warm and cozy. It helps rooms feel comfortable on cold days.
This is an electric heater. This is a mixer grinder.
A mixer grinder grinds food and spices. It can also mix ingredients for cooking. Many kitchens use it to prepare delicious meals.
This is a mixer grinder. This is an induction cooktop.
An induction cooktop heats pots very fast. People cook food safely on its smooth surface. It is a modern way to cook in the kitchen.
This is an induction cooktop. This is a mobile charger.
A mobile charger gives power to a phone. When the battery becomes low, the charger fills it again. It helps phones work all day.
This is a mobile charger. This is an electric juicer.
An electric juicer helps make fresh fruit juice, like oranges and apples, can be turned into tasty juice. Fresh juice is healthy, refreshing, and full of vitamins.
This is an electric juicer. This is a water purifier.
A water purifier cleans dirty water. It removes germs and harmful particles. Clean water is safe and healthy for everyone to drink.
This is a water purifier. This is a sandwich maker.
A sandwich maker cooks warm and crispy sandwiches. Bread and filling are placed inside the machine. In a few minutes, a tasty sandwich is ready.
This is an electric sandwich maker. This is a rice cooker.
A rice cooker helps cook soft and fluffy rice. People add rice and water inside the pot. The cooker uses electricity to cook the rice automatically.
This is a rice cooker. This is a fan.
This is a fan. It moves cool air around the room on hot days. Fans help people feel fresh and comfortable in summer.
This is a fan. This is an air purifier.
An air purifier helps clean the air in a room. It removes dust and tiny particles from the air. Clean air helps us breathe fresh and healthy.
This is an air purifier.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun and learning videos.